In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using a code. This process is simple and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step so you can confidently join your meetings without any hassle. Whether you're attending a work conference or a class, knowing how to quickly join with a meeting ID will save you time and ensure that you're always on time for your meetings. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to look for the Meet button when you open Microsoft Teams. This is typically located in the main menu of the app. After you find and click on Meet, a few options will appear. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Join with a Meeting ID. Go ahead and click on this option. This feature is designed to make joining meetings as effortless as possible. It's especially useful if you've received your meeting link in the form of an ID and passcode, which is a common way to share meeting details. Once you've clicked Join with a Meeting ID, you'll be prompted to enter the meeting ID and passcode. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a meeting ID and where do I get this from? Usually, the meeting organizer will provide the meeting ID and passcode in the invitation email or the calendar event. It's crucial to enter these details accurately, otherwise you won't be able to access the meeting. Double check to ensure you've typed both the meeting ID and passcode correctly. Any slight mistake in these numbers or letters can prevent entry to your meeting. If you're copying and pasting this information, triple check that there are no extra spaces before or after the numbers. After you have entered the meeting ID and passcode, you are only one step away from joining the meeting. Simply click on Join Meeting. Microsoft Teams will now begin connecting you to the session. This might involve checking your audio and video settings to ensure everything is in working order. If you're in a quiet environment like a home office, it's polite to join with your microphone turned off initially to prevent any unintended interruptions. You can easily turn it back on once you're ready to speak. And there you have it. You're now in your meeting, ready to participate fully. Remember, whether you're presenting material or just listening in, being able to join quickly and efficiently is essential. So whenever you need to join a meeting using a code, just follow these simple steps and you'll be there in no time. This process is particularly helpful in environments where speed and reliability are key. And now you're prepared for those last-minute meeting invites or changes. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial helps you navigate your Microsoft Teams meetings with ease. Happy meeting!